Awesome. Clear. Thank you for sharing your journey, Mr. Rashid, and from the where you started to where you are and all the roles you played. Clearly, you're a hard worker. And I'm assuming, every journey has its challenges, and I'm sure you've faced some too. You even talked about some of them. What are some obstacles that you encountered, and how did you overcome them to get to the career you are in now?
So, the first thing is like, so if you say about the challenges, the first thing I will say, you have to come out of your comfort zone. That is very difficult to come out, like, because, like, say I used to work in manufacturing industry like almost 8 to 9 years. So I became an expert in that. Like everything looks easy to me. I can say things even sitting inside my home. Like I can say, think, okay, do this. If there is any problem in the any machine or equipment, I can tell the people, okay, you have to do this, you have to follow this, right? So that comfort zone, you have to leave that comfort zone. So that was difficult. So it's not easy. And any change is not easy. People doesn't like change. So you have to change yourself. And then mindset, like you have to change your mindset, because in manufacturing industry, like you have one mindset that it works, and in IT there is different mindset, right? So you have that mentality and mindset you have to change. And the culture, like the even though there are some common ground in manufacturing and IT in terms of corporate culture, but there's some other culture that IT industry and when it's different. So that culture, adopting the new culture was also a challenge. And you have to learn new tools and technology. But in terms of the first few things that I mentioned, that was like difficult to, that was the like harder challenge than compared to learning new tools and technologies.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.